Almost every measurement in science begins with just 7 standard units. For mechanics, length is measured in meters, mass in kilograms, and time in seconds. Current uses amperes, temperature kelvins, amount of substance moles, and luminous intensity candelas. Derived units combine base units. 1 Newton is 1 kilogram meter per second squared. Prefixes make large and small measurements easier to read by using powers of 10. Keep units beside the numbers. They expose mistakes and make conversions easier. 7 base units support every derived measurement used in engineering.